Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing to you on how to make pearl for milk tea. Okay, so here you go. We have brown sugar, water, and tapioca starch. To begin with, of course, we need to on our fire. Okay. This ingredient is good for 4 people because by molding it into a ball shape, it's quite time consuming. So anyway, if you want to make mini pearls, but I tell you, if you have to, you need an extra hands to help you. If you don't have any help, these ingredients is good enough to satisfy your cravings, because by making this is quite time consuming. Okay, this ingredient is good enough to satisfy your ingredients. Okay guys, so please continue to watch the video for the direction on how I cook. Guys, over here I use 2 types of how to mold the pearls. If you have the rack or screen in your house, you can use it, but for me, I use my fondant extruder, so I find it quite easy. that you see is tapioca starch actually. So we put it that so that it won't stick each other, the pearl that we make. But of course later on, once we are going to cook, we have to remove it by sifting all the starch away. Guys, for me I use gula melaka because I have it at home. But anyway, if you don't have any of it, you can still use the brown sugar, whatever you have in your house. So don't stress up yourself if you don't have. Once you put the pearls, we need to keep stirring this, or yeah, because if not, all these will stick at the bottom of the pan, so it will burn. So just continue to stir this, even yeah, when it's still boiling. So because all the starch below, it will create the stickiness. Okay, so we are done cooking our pearls. So now I have this milk tea that I bought, a 3-in-1, and I want to try this. How does it taste like? So I use this, I pour at the hot water and mix it first before I pour into the glass of pearls. So now guys, what I'm doing is remember the syrup that we made? So now I just pour a little bit on our glass. This kind of method they use for brown sugar milk tea. And then after that I just put a few spoon of pearls on the glass. So whichever or how much you want to put in. So this is the milk tea 3-in-1 just now that I show it to you. And I'm also make milk. I use fresh milk. The same thing. I put a syrup and pearls on the glass. Then I pour in the fresh milk. So we have 3-in-1 milk tea and the fresh milk brown sugar. Let's see how it is. Yes, she like it. It's my daughter. And she also try the 3-in-1 milk tea. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you next time. God bless.